Hey YouTube, my name is Car and this is my first video for my first day in the life of being sober. So the objective of this channel is to show how people can transform within 30 days. So right now I'm just starting my sober journey, and well, as you can see, my belly is not in the best of shape. So I will also be doing some exercises, and also a change in my diet, so hopefully I can show you a well, some transformation at the very least. So right now I am enjoying a nice cup of coffee, and hopefully for the next few days I won't be drinking again.